In this video, I will show you how to delete your Ticketmaster account. So from within the app, what you want to do is just from within your account, click on the profile icon in the bottom right. Now from here, you will see which email address you are actually deleting, so make sure it is the correct one. And then from here, under the My Settings, you will see Delete Account, so click on that. Now from here, it will ask, do you have an account? Yes, then select your country, then select the request type, so it should be set to delete my account, but you just want to click on that. Then enter your first name, last name, and your email address of the account you want to delete. So then here click on I am not a robot and click on submit. So now one more step, your identity needs to be confirmed, so check your email for confirmation. So you will see this right here. Now you just want to go and click on confirm. So then you will see this right here. Now from here, you just want to go and click on confirm email. It's the black button right here. And then open it up wherever you want. And then your request is confirmed and they will now review your request and contact you shortly. But that basically means they will just go and delete your account. So now you know how to delete your Ticketmaster account. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. And with that being said, I will see you in the next video.